DEWALT Hole Saw Kit 14. Piece includes 2 quick change mandrels and pilot point bits done 180,005. Door lock hole saw kit utilizes C-clamp design with tool-free clamping and no surface damage. Door lock kit utilizes alignment window and taller bushings to deliver accurate height placement and straight drilling with the hole saw set. LENOX tools hole saw with Arbor speed slot 2-inch 1,772,779 multi. 2x more durable with 50 longer life than previous LENOX hole saws. Increased wall thickness improves durability and minimizes tooth loss. Optimized tooth design penetrates metal with ease. Larger, sharper teeth for faster cutting. Speed slot staircase design for easy plug ejection. Disston at 115,000 Blu-Mol RemGrit hole saw accessories dust bowl for installing recessed lights and works with all hole saws. Less mess, keep your workspace clean and free of dust with Disston's Blu-Mol dust bowl. Universal, conveniently compatible with any hole saw, and durable enough for many projects to come. Hole Saw Kit Sungator 5-piece set. Specially constructed heat-treated carbon steel. Safety and durable high-quality heat-treated carbon steel of high strength and hardness allows for a more aggressive cut, anti-rust oil on the surface to protect the hole saw from natural oxidation. Multi-purpose, suitable for soft wood, thin PVC panel, and thin plywood but not metal and hardwood. Excellent tool for home DIY. Hole Saw Set HYCHIKA 19 PCS Hole Saw Kit with 13 PCS saw blades. 19 accessories including 13 size saw blades 19, 20 twom, 28 30 twom, 38 40 form, 51 60 form, 76 89 100 twom, 127 150 twom max cutting depth of 25 twopx mandrels, twopx drill bits for easy replacement, 1 installation plate, 1 hex key. High quality and fast cutting. The saw blades are carbon steel heat treated and have black surface, ensure fast cutting, rust proof, wear resistant and long usage life. KATA 12 PCS Hole Saw Kit 34.2 12 19.60 form hole saw set with mandrels hex key. Safety and durable heat treated high carbon steel with black coating surface allows for a more aggressive cut, anti-rust and durable. Suitable for soft wood, thin PVC board, plastic but not metal, hardwood density board, particle board, and computer tables. Hole Saw Set 22 PCS Hole Saw Kit with 13 PCS saw blades, gifts for men. Package includes hole saw kit includes 13 saw blades, 3/419 7/820 twom, 125 1.1/828 1.1/430 twom, 1.1/238 1.3/440 form, 251 2.1/260 form, 370 3.1/289 for 100 twom, 5 127 twox mandrels, twox drill bits, 2x twist drill, 1x hex key, 1x package box, installation plate and hex key with storage box. KATA Hole Saw Set 20 PCS Hole Saw Kit with 34.6 19.150 twom 13 PCS saw blades. Package includes KATA Hole Saw Kit includes saw blades 3/4 19/7/820 twom 1.1/829 1.1/430 twom 1.1/238 1.3/440 251 2.1/260 370 3.1/289 4 100 twom 5 120 7 650 twom 2 mandrels 3 drill bits 1 hex key 1 installation plate